Welcome to the Build My List video on mail forms. In this video we will explain what mail forms are and how you can use the Build My List plugin to create your own forms, to edit them, and to add them to the Build My List network. The first step in working with mail forms is to understand what they actually are. A mail form is a form that you create generally with an autoresponder service. It is used to subscribe users to a mail list, and typically you will collect their name and their email address in return for sending them a free gift or a download. Here we see a typical example of a mail form. It has a space for your name and your email address and a submit button. It is these mail forms that you can distribute across the Build My List network. We will now illustrate how to create a mail form using the Build My List plugin. Begin by going to the Build My List item in the WordPress dashboard and clicking on Forms. In the Forms tab, click on the New button to create a new mail form. This will open the Build My List form editor. The first thing you will need to decide when creating your form is which template you would like to use for it. The template determines the appearance of your form. The Build My List plugin has a number of templates you can choose from. When you open the BML form editor, you will initially be in the Styles tab. The Styles tab is where you will select the template for your form, as well as template parameters such as its color. In the drop-down list called Choose a Template, you will see a number of templates that are available for you. Templates are marked as being either mail templates, link templates, or CPA offers. We'll be concentrating on mail templates. As you select different templates, you will see them appear in the preview window. You will notice that some templates also allow videos in them. Select the template that you wish to use for your form. You may now choose the colors for your template. You have a selection of both the button color and the color of the entire template. To change the button color, use the drop-down link here. Select a different button color for your template if you wish. In order to change the template color, use the Color Options section. As you move your mouse over the various colors, you will see that the preview image changes to the corresponding color. Select the color that you would like to use for your form and click on it once. The next step is to add the code provided by your autoresponder service. To add your autoresponder code, open the HTML tab in the BML form editor. Choose your autoresponder service. Paste your autoresponder code into the HTML box. Click the Update button to read the code. This will populate the name, email, and form URL fields. You can change these if these are incorrect. We will be giving detailed descriptions of using each individual autoresponder service in separate videos. The next step is to add text to the various fields of your mail form. Add your custom text by going to the Fields tab in the Form Editor. This will display a list of fields available for your specific form template. Different form templates will have different fields, although there are common ones between all of them. If you are uncertain as to which field corresponds to which section of your template, you can go back to the Styles tab and examine the preview image. You will see the title field, the form header, and other fields illustrated in the preview. Back in the Fields tab, enter values for your fields. The field's name default value and email default value correspond to the text that will be displayed in those text boxes. You may leave them as they are or change them as you wish. The text in the Submit button box indicates what text will be written on the button. Some forms permit the use of an image. To add an image to your form, you may select an image from your computer or provide a URL to use an image from the internet. Look for the image field for your form. You can directly enter the URL of an image on the internet, or you can choose one from your own computer by clicking the Upload button. Click the Choose File button and select an image you would like to use. Open it and click the Submit button. Close the window when you see the sign indicating the image has been successfully uploaded. Some mail forms permit you to use an embedded YouTube video. If your form template supports video, look for the Embed Video text box. Obtain and paste the YouTube embed code into this box. Below the box, you will see a radio button allowing you a selection of regular or widescreen format. Select the format that matches your video. Many of the BML form templates support list items or bullet points. To add list items to your form, go to the List tab in the form editor. Click the Add New List Item button. Enter the value for the list item in the text box that appears. You will note that the maximum number of list items is listed here. It'll vary for different templates. To add another item, just click the Add New List Item button again. You can also remove a list item if you don't want to use it. At any time during form creation, you can preview your mail form for both appearance and functionality. To preview your mail form, click the Preview tab in the BML form editor. Now click the Click to Update Form Preview button. Your form will be displayed in the preview window, exactly how it will appear. If you make changes to your form, such as changing its color, and go back to the preview window, you will need to click the button again to update the preview. The final step in creating your mail form is to submit it to the BML administrator for approval for distribution on the Build My List network. When you are satisfied with the way your form looks, go to the Submit tab in your editor. Enter in the tagline. This is the text that will be displayed as a link on the form widget. Enter a description. This will be displayed as a tooltip when someone hovers over the link on the form widget. You may optionally enter start dates and end dates for distribution. If you leave these fields blank, your form will be distributed as soon as it is approved and will continue to be distributed until you delete it. If you wish to add a date, click in the box and use the calendar to select a date to start and stop distributing your form. When you are satisfied with all of your form changes, you may click the Submit button to submit your form for approval by the BML administrator. As the text message notes, your form will be inactive until all the edits are approved.